girlfriend and I are currently packing right now. We got all our stuff up.
Oh, oh, here's the puppy. Here's the puppy. Hi, puppy. Say hello. Okay, there, puppy. Yep, yep. Hey. Gonna take the TRX so I can still work out, or we can work out. Here are going to be my hellos for the trip. We got some little emergency snacks, because we're not paying monies for snacks. This is stupid. We're gonna be walking a lot, so I brought my little foot roller. This is her clothes in one little baggie. This is my clothes in one little baggie. More miscellaneous stuff. Medications, toiletries, passports, our electrical or camera equipment gear, just random miscellaneous stuff, and it's all going to fit in this, and then all of this is going to fit in that.